So welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about request authorization by using HealthKit framework. Today I am going to discuss about request authorization by using HealthKit framework and otherwise permission HealthKit framework in use of our code. So firstly we will discuss about information and explain briefly. So we're gonna open a new export and create new project, single app application, and project name suppose which have a health kit permission demo, health kit permission demo which have project name we're gonna create on this project. So firstly process on this project, health kit module, select on the health kit module and sign in capabilities and import on this health kit framework import and click on new health kit framework import on this health kit framework. And health kit framework provide two keys. Health kit framework provide two keys and add on this info list. First is privacy description, privacy health share usage description, command C, and info list add on this key, command V, and this is a key I want to write your code. I want to write your code. Private health share usage description share in the write your code. And is another is privacy health update usage description update. This is key on this read your code. I want to read your code. I want to read it. We add on this two keys. In this case use of write your code and in this case use of read your code. Add on this info list on this project. So we're gonna create the command and class suppose which have a Swift file and name on this suppose permission health kit setup, permission health kit setup, which have a name on this class. We're gonna create on this head, and first of all we are going to create the import health kit framework, command S, and we're gonna create the class and this health kit setup and not inherit on this class. So we're gonna create the class is complete, and firstly we will class if you want to create the enum, if you want to create the error, then you confirm error protocol. Suppose permission health kit is use of two error, so we're gonna create the error, then you confirm error protocol. Suppose we are going to create a private var enum permission health kit error. Then you are confirm error protocol, define on this shift error protocol, confirm error protocol, which have two cases. Firstly is device not available. First case is device not available, and second case is data not available on this device. Data not available. First two cases apply on this HealthKit permission app. Data not available. Sorry, prior to worry now. Command Shift K, and we're gonna create the class function and class func, so which have a name on this authorized HealthKit setup. Authorized HealthKit setup. We can confirm on the private in now. Sorry, we're gonna executive class func authorized HealthKit setup, and which have on this parameter completion. HealthKit setup, suppose setup and app, so we're gonna pass on this completion, which have pass on this parameter completion on this. So which is type of escaping escaping suppose which have a two parameter bool and error. This is the optional error, and return on this, return statement on this, return statement on this, void, and this is function not returned. This class on this. So firstly check to see if HealthKit available on this device. So we're gonna create the guard statement, suppose which have optional. We're gonna create a guard statement, guard HK health store dot is health data available. Otherwise data available true. Otherwise completion colon this completion, and completion this is a pass of the false, comma, and error is a available नहीं है data, so this is a device not available. Permission setup error dot device not available on this error, and we're gonna use of return statement, return. Otherwise data available on this class. So firstly we will discuss about HK health store. So what is HK health store? This is use of HK health store object to request permission to share or read HealthKit data. Once permission is granted, you can use the HealthKit store to save new samples to the store or to manage the samples that your app has saved. Additional, you can use the HealthKit store to start, stop, and manage queries. So we're gonna prepare data type that will interact with HealthKit. We're gonna prepare data type that will interact with HealthKit. So we're gonna use of let. Suppose firstly we can use of guard statement, guard let. Suppose firstly date of birth, which is type of HK object type, and this is a characteristic type, HK object type and HK object type dot characteristic type for identifier dot characteristic type for identifier, suppose which have a dot firstly is date of birth accessibility on this date of birth, and we can create on this data. So let command C and command V, let suppose second is billet type and HK object type characteristic suppose the dot billet type, and third is command V, suppose is billet date of birth and billet type biological sex and HQ object character dot biological sex, and otherwise data is not available, so we can calling on this completion and completion calling on this completion. This is error of false and comma permission error dot data not available, device not available, permission error dot data not available, data not available, and we can use of return statement return, otherwise data is we can use of return statement. If you want to read to data, we can use of let statement let. If you want to read your data, so let HK health kit data HK health kit to read data type suppose which have a parameter name HK health kit read data type which is type of set of HK object type and is equal to HK object type requirement of array of data. Firstly is our data is date of birth comma and second is billet type and third create on this data biological sex. Third is biological sex. We're gonna complete this. We're gonna create on this complete on this data and so sorry we can use of else let and guard statement otherwise and we can use of guard statement and else we're gonna call on the completion and return. So we're gonna calling on this HK health store. We're gonna use on the HK health store and HK health store and dot request authorization on this method request authorization which in type of HK health store type self the HK health store read on data and pass on this request authorization on this pass on this data. Sorry and request authorization HK health store type and you're gonna use call on this completion such whichever this and we can use the completion and completion calling on this success and error. Suppose we have success, completion, we're gonna pass on this completion. Sorry, we're gonna pass on this other initializer request authorization and request authorization HK Health Store. We're going to instance on this HK Health Store dot request authorization. Request authorization, we're calling on this completion. We are not calling on this completion. Suppose to share, not if to share is nil. Read data, this is the read data. Suppose HK command C and command V, gonna apply on this command C and command V, and completion on this pass on this success success, and this is pass on this error, this is error, and we're gonna calling on this completion. This is a success on this success and comma error on this error, pass on this completion. And we're gonna use of setup and guard statement with completion calling on this data available and return on this statement, and we can use of guardlet statement and else. Okay, we can use of expression and expression and expression. Okay, we're gonna use of expression. Let's complete on this your code, and we're gonna use of our code. So we're gonna use of our code HK Health permission on this complete HK Health Store on this permission. HK Health Store is a, so what is HK Health Store? First we will discuss. This is a HK Health Store object to request permission to share or read health kit data. Once permission is granted, you can use the health kit store to save new samples to the store or to manage new samples queries that your app has saved. Additionally, you can use of share data stored manage of queries. So we can use of our view control. This is a view controller, and view controller we're gonna apply, initial view controller, we're gonna apply this UI button. We're gonna apply the constants for which have, we're gonna apply the constant horizontally vertically center, and we're gonna apply this constant height and width. Suppose it's 300 width and 50 height, and we're gonna apply the button is authorized is text on this button, authorized, and we're gonna apply this font. Suppose it's 22 and this heavy, we're gonna apply the font width heavy, and this text color suppose which have a red color, and we're gonna apply the background color on this button. Yellow color. Okay, we're gonna create the instance outlet on this class. So view controller, we're gonna create the outlet. This is the initial view controller for authorized button, which have name on this authorized button, and we're gonna apply this at target command s. We're gonna create the object function @objc func open permission. open permission setup, and we're gonna create on the open permission setup, and command s we're gonna create the button at targets authorized button dot at target, calling on the self. This is self on this at target and we're gonna hash selector method. So the OBGC function requirement on this selection method. So open permission setup and dot event of touch up inside, and we're gonna accessibility on this class. So we can call in accessibility on the class, and we can use of class. So we firstly is health. Our class name is health kit setup, health kit permission health kit setup, and use of function static function class function authorized health kit setup. So class name, which have a class name permission health kit setup, permission health kit setup dot authorized. We're gonna pass on this completion. So we're gonna pass on this completion. This is use of, we want to do statement of firstly success and error, which have error. There's two argument of this print. So firstly we're gonna use of guard statement. So guard we can use of authorized and guard statement. Suppose authorized, otherwise else, authorized, yes, authorized is complete. So we're gonna use of print statement. Health kit authorized successful, health kit authorized successful. And you want to create on this message, let message is equal to authorized failed, and we're gonna use of error. If let error is this equal to error, and we're gonna use of print statement. Print, suppose on this string term operation message, and what is reason we're gonna use of error, and we can complete on this setup statement on this. So we're gonna run on this. So we're gonna apply on this corner radius on this button. So authorized dot layer dot corner radius is equal to suppose 22. We're gonna command s. We're gonna run on this app. So we're gonna run on this. So firstly we'll discuss HealthKit framework. HealthKit provide a central repository, HealthKit, and repository for health and fitness data. iPhone and Apple Watch with the user permission app communicate with the HealthKit to share and store data. So firstly, what is discussed on the HealthKit framework? We're gonna tab on this event authorized. So permission on this health app, we're gonna Apple health app on this store in the our health app. We're gonna apply on this three parameters. First blood type, date of birth, and sex. So we're gonna apply permission status. Suppose it's three parameters: date of birth, blood type, and biological sex. So this is the date of birth, blood type, and biological sex. Turn all categories on. And off and all. We're gonna allow statement, allow. This is authorized is complete. This is authorized is completed. Permission on this authorized is complete. Authorized complete. Authorized complete. Authorization is successfully. Okay, and we're gonna run on this, and we're gonna kill on this app. Delete, and we're gonna run on this app. So, what is HealthKit framework? HealthKit provides a central repository for health and fitness data. iPhone and Apple Watch with the user permission. Apps communicate with the HealthKit to access and to share data. Authorized, and we're gonna so it's a don't allow. So we can print on the error. You can turn on HealthKit data categories. Okay, don't allow. Authorized. We gonna check on this statement on. So run on this statement authorized. So we're gonna check on this error part. Check on this error part. So if you want to authorized, got authorized, let message. If let okay, if let message is going to message, and else we're gonna use of else statement. Else parent message. So we're gonna kill on this app, remove, delete on this app. Our iPhone, we're gonna run on this application. So we're gonna tab on this authorized, this pop-up, show on this pop-up, and don't allow. You can turn on health data categories later in the health app. So this is the health demo metal API validation successfully. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy on this HealthKit permission. HealthKit permission. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of health app, and we can use of, and we're gonna create a next tutorial. This we're gonna create a next tutorial handle on this data and show on this UI. Handle on this data, suppose date of birth and blood type, biological sex, and show on this UI how to set up in this HealthKit data type. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy.